Hi everyone, and welcome back to Ben's Kitchen, where I'm going to be making something that I only make kind of on accident. Banana bread. And I say by accident because I accidentally let these bananas overripen. So now I have to make banana bread, obviously. Alright, I'll see you in a little bit. Some sour cream and butter, and to that we're adding some of my makeshift dark brown sugar. So if you don't have dark brown sugar, like I almost never bake with it, then you can just use some molasses and add that to light brown sugar, or add more molasses to white sugar. Though, if you don't have dark brown sugar, I don't really know why you would have molasses. It's not like a common staple ingredient. So yeah, just buy dark brown sugar. That richness will actually add a lot to the banana bread and play with the banana flavor better. Alright. So we're just going to whip these together until they're light and fluffy. It should take about 4 minutes. So as you can see, it's lightened in color and it's gotten pretty big. So now I'm going to add in 3 eggs, one at a time. When you're adding in eggs, a lot of time you want to wait to add the next egg until the first egg has been fully incorporated. Fun fact, I don't know why, but I've heard a lot of chefs say that. The last thing I'm going to add to this wet mixture that isn't called for in the recipe, but I always like to add into desserts and sweet stuff, is just a little bit of vanilla. You probably won't taste it much, but I think vanilla just brings out a lot of good flavors, especially in sweet dishes. I always add it to my cakes and stuff like that, even when it doesn't call for it. A lot of things can use it. We're going to add this dry mixture into the wet mixture. This is just all-purpose flour, baking soda, salt, and a little bit of cinnamon. Cinnamon's not on the recipe, but I just like cinnamon in my banana bread. Personal preference. Flour mixture is in, we're going to add in the bananas. This is 6 super ripe bananas that I mashed with the fork that you have in there. Doesn't that look just so good? Kind of looks like candy almost. We're going to make it 1 loaf, and whatever left we're going to make banana bread muffins with, basically. And in the muffins there's going to be chocolate chips. Shai doesn't like chocolate chips in her banana bread, so I'm making her a cake, or a bread, and I'm making myself some muffins. Alright. Banana bread and the 12 banana bread muffins, and now we're going to put them in the oven at 350. I'll check on these after 25 minutes, but this shouldn't be done until about an hour. It's really dense, so it takes a long time to cook. So there they go into the warm oven. Alright. Check back with you in about half an hour. And it looks like the muffins are ready and are done. Just going to take those out and let these cool. And we'll check on the after I stabbed them, And we're going to let this bake for another 25 minutes and check it then. So that'll be 15 minutes for that. Alright, I'll see you soon. Okay, well it's been about 40 minutes I'd say. And this loaf of banana bread is finally done. Look at that. Yeah. Shai's pretty excited about it. And so yeah, there it is. With some holes in it, but it's nice crust, and this is just to help remove it. As you can see, it's not really sticking that much, so I'm going to turn off the oven. Well, thanks for watching this short episode of Ben's Kitchen. I guess that's what we're calling it now. I don't know. Yeah. I'll see you again at some point. Bye. Okay, later. I just wanted to show you it out of the pan. Look at how nice that is. Get close-up shots. Oh man, look at that. Something that people don't realize is that when the banana bread is cooled, you can actually slice it and toast it. Toasted banana bread, really good.